In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly print multiple baselines in Microsoft Project. The trick is simple. Get the baselines visible in the view you plan to print, then print that exact view. Let's walk through it clearly so your printout shows exactly what you need. First, make sure your baselines exist. Microsoft Project can store up to 11 of them. The main baseline plus baseline 1 through baseline 10. A baseline is a snapshot of your plan at a point in time, and you won't see anything on paper unless one has been saved. Go to Project, then Set Baseline, and save the baseline for the entire project or for selected tasks, depending on what you want to compare. Do this before you think about printing, so there's something for Project to display. Next, switch to a view that actually shows multiple baselines. Go to View, then More Views. Choose Multiple Baselines Gantt, and click Apply. This special view displays the first three baselines by default: Baseline, Baseline 1, and Baseline 2, layered beneath your current taskbars on the Gantt chart. If your comparisons involve later baselines, you won't see them yet, so we'll customize the bars to include more. With the multiple baselines, Gantt view Active, Open Format, then Bar Styles. In the Bar Styles dialog, add or edit entries so the additional baseline bars appear. Create lines for Baseline 3 Start and Baseline 3, Finish, Baseline 4 Start and Baseline 4 Finish, and continue as needed up to Baseline 10. Match the logic and appearance of the existing baseline bars. Set clear colors, select the correct start and finish fields, and adjust priorities so the bars don't overlap in confusing ways. The goal is readability. Distinct colors and consistent patterns help reviewers see differences at a glance. There isn't a built-in Print Baselines Only setting, so they must be visible in the Gantt bars or as table fields in the view you print. When your view looks right, it's time to print. Go to File, then Print, or press Ctrl+P. Choose your printer or PDF. Pick Landscape Orientation if your project is wide, and set the date range to focus the output. Always preview first. If bars run off the page, adjust the timescale to show a narrower period, or use Fit to pages wide in Page Setup to keep everything on a single sheet. Once satisfied, click Print. For the cleanest results, consider adding a legend or custom header so readers know which color corresponds to which baseline. And if you want the baseline dates in the table as well, insert columns like Baseline Start or Baseline 1 Start before printing.